Hey y'all, so I filmed this video so long ago that I don't know where my intro and outro went, but it's okay. I'm going in with my Olay Henderson toner. This is the dark spot toner to get your skin even. I'm going in with my Pond's moisturizer. This is a holy grail forever. I'll never switch up on you, baby. I mean, I might dib and dabble in other stuff, but I'm always gonna come home to the Pond's, okay? Just letting y'all know. Going in with my Milk Primer. This stuff is like heaven when it comes to your makeup. Go ahead and just prime your face, put it all over, y'all. Your foundation is not going to move. Like, your makeup is going to be perfecto all day long. No cap. So if you're an old school makeup artist, or if you've gotten your makeup done by an old school makeup artist, you know that this Milk and Magnesia trick is something that's been around forever, okay? You put it on in your oily T-zone, and it is what it is. Now I'm going in with my Sephora stick highlighter, the glow stick, and I'm just putting it where I normally would put highlight. I've been going for the really glowy, dewy look lately, and this just looks like I'm glowing within. Mind you, it's mad cheap too for a duo. So it comes in like this rose gold goldy color, and then it comes in like an iridescent color. Go get it at Sephora. It's mad cheap. Thank me later. Now I'm going to go in and do my brows. I'm using the Benna Brow. I believe this is the thin stick one. This actually came in a set with this, a clear brow gel, and then the colored brow gel. You'll see me use it later in the video. But yeah, I'm just filling in my brows, and then I'm gonna carve them out with, I believe this is the NARS. Y'all, I filmed this video so long ago, I forgot that I filmed it, and it's been sitting in my iMovie, so I'm just basically editing it now. Go ahead and blend that out so you don't have any harsh lines. It's also going to help you with your foundation. Your eyeshadow, not your foundation, because you can use the concealer as a base. So make sure you just drag it down to your eyelids, y'all. As y'all can see, popping. Oop, no eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Hey, y'all. I didn't want to do eyeshadow on camera. Y'all, I've really been trying to get away from doing like actual tutorials. I'm trying to figure out how to adjust my content to be something other than just tutorials, but still doing makeup at the same time. Going in with my, y'all, I'm not even gonna stunt you. I don't know what foundation this is. Like, again, this video was so long ago and I did not show it, but I'm pretty sure it was either Fenty Beauty's new hydrating foundation or it was my NARS. Those are the two that I've been having in rotation for a while. So yeah, then going in with my NARS concealer, and I'm just blending that baby out, you know, our normal blend until you feel like it's blended enough for you. Going with your Hourglass Veil setting powder. Love this baby smooth, flawless finish, okay? I first do the powder and I pack it all into my skin to where you don't see it, and then I go in with another coat that you can see. This is kind of like my baking step, but I don't bake long. As you can see, when I do my micro smooth powder here, I take it away. Going in contouring with my Anastasia contour kit. Y'all know the drill. I've actually been contouring my face a little differently. I'll have a video on that kind of soon, but yeah, it's different. Going in with my P. Louise blush / highlighter, and I'm just using that to add some color to my face. You know, a look is never complete without a wing liner. Like, Neah has to have a wing liner, and y'all, I'm so good at wing liners now I could do it when I'm driving. Eyelashes on, going in with that color gel that I was telling you about from the Benefit Cosmetics set. And I'm just going to basically set my brows and whisk them out a little bit. I haven't really been into the in-depth brow, like the Instagram brow. I've been like in the fluffy brows lately. Going under the eye, adding some color under the eye, because you know your girl's eye is mad tight. You can't be just out here with tight eyes and nothing under them, you know? Gonna do some bottom mascara, even though I barely have bottom lashes. I like to create the illusion. If anybody knows how to apply bottom lashes, let me know, because I want to start wearing bottom lashes and like how to do them, how to make them look right, okay? Because I think they're really, really cute, especially the lash extension ones. They're mad cute. but that's just my opinion. Go ahead and add a little mascara to them top lashes just to make sure that they're blending in with yours. Blink a little bit, and you know you that one. Going in with my Fenty highlighter, go ahead and highlight all the areas that you enjoy highlighting. I feel like there's no right or wrong place to highlight. It's solely up to you and how you want your makeup to look. So now this is the clear brow gel out of that set from Benefit, and I just go ahead and do the final step to my eyebrows that I like to do to make them a little fluffy and not the Instagram brow. Taking my beauty blender with some setting spray on it, I've been basically pushing in the product instead of spraying my whole face. This is something I've been doing lately, and I actually really enjoy it. I feel like it gives you a better set than normal. This is the end of the video, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for following me and supporting me. Next time, I'll make sure I have an intro and outro. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.